Good afternoon, grade 8. Our lesson for today is about magnets and magnetic materials. This is teacher Mildred and this is physics grade 8. Magnets are useful things. Magnets can be used to hold cupboard doors shut. They are used in electric motors and generators. They are used in headphones and loudspeakers. And they have fun uses too. For example, magnetic letters. Permanent magnets come in different shapes and sizes. You can have a horseshoe magnet, a bar magnet, ring magnet, ball-ended magnet, and cylindrical magnet. They can be used to attract other objects. For example, paper clips which are made up of steel. A permanent magnet is an object which stays magnetized for a long time. It doesn't stop being a magnet after it has been used. Some materials are attracted by magnets, and other materials are not. A material which is attracted by a magnet is called a magnetic material. Iron is a magnetic material. Steel is mostly made of iron, so most types of steel are also magnetic. Nickel and cobalt are two other magnetic materials. Nowadays, many small or strong magnets are made using a metal called neodymium. Other metals such as aluminum and tin are non-magnetic. Non-magnetic materials are materials which are not attracted by a magnet. Magnets attract magnetic materials. There is a magnetic force which pulls an object when a magnet attracts it. Magnetic force is the force which pulls magnetic materials when a magnet attracts it. You may have noticed that the force is strongest if you use the end of the magnet. A bar magnet's magnetism is strongest at the ends. The ends of the magnet are called its magnetic poles. The poles are called the North Pole and the South Pole. When the poles of the magnets are close together, they may attract each other or they may repel each other, meaning push each other. Here are the rules which tell us whether two magnetic poles will attract or repel. Like poles repel, unlike poles attract. In these rules, like poles means both poles are the same, both north poles or both south poles. Unlike poles means one north pole and one south pole. Sometimes people simply remember the phrase opposites attract. And that's the end of the lesson about magnets and magnetic materials. Remember, like poles repel and unlike poles attract. A piece of unmagnetized iron or steel can be magnetized by stroking with one pole of a permanent magnet.